Hey YouTube, this is CNC Fan here, and today I'm going to talk about my 2010 MacBook, known as the 2010 Unibody A1342 model, running the 2.4 Core 2 Duo processor. I got this MacBook on eBay last year for a few $100s. I put a 512 gig SSD in it, 16 gigs of RAM, and a brand new battery. In use, this machine is pretty solid as a general web browser, document writer, or in my mind, as a macOS Chromebook. You get a full macOS experience, which is of course preferred for many people, and a 13-inch non-retina screen, which takes some time to get used to. The machine is currently running macOS Mojave with the help of DOS Dude. When I got the machine, it came with macOS High Sierra. I use Brave as my preferred web browser for this machine, with AdBlock Plus and TamperMonkey enabled. TamperMonkey is a script writer for Brave, and I highly recommend it. I have a particular script running that blocks YouTube from running 720 or 1080p videos at 60 frames per second. This machine doesn't run 60 FPS videos well, so to prevent slowdown in your user experience, this is a must. I usually watch videos in 720p on this machine. This is probably low for some people, but I don't mind it, to be honest. It being from 2010, it's pretty amazing that this machine with these upgrades is still highly usable for the majority of users, i.e. content consuming, document writing, etc. All the modern trackpad gestures that we are accustomed to on newer Macs is here, with the primary drawback being its weight, which is about 4.7 pounds. I took out the CD drive for weight savings, and the new SSD should help when compared to an old school spinning drive. It's hard to say whether I recommend this machine for other people. I got it primarily for its low price and the fact that I wanted a full macOS experience in a machine that I can mod and work on myself. If you are a DIY type of person, then I would recommend it, if you could find a good price, of course. For most people, if they really want to spend a little money and get a capable device, then I recommend an iPad 8 with a nice keyboard and trackpad case like Logitech's offerings. Yes, there's no full macOS support, but those iPads provide pretty solid user experiences, to say the least. Alright, that pretty much concludes this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Please like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See ya!